How to manage file transfers notifications on Google Chrome Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage file transfers notifications on Google Chrome Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and now click this 3 points here and then click settings and go down and you will find this one here, notifications. And now all you need to do is just find this one here, file transfers, and nearby shared category. Just if you click on it if you want to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.